Is this the right time to buy property? That is the question we're going to try to dissect here in this video, looking at the factors that are driving the market up, the ones that are driving the market down, looking at if you should buy, and if you should, what property should you be buying and what should you avoid? My name is Daniel Wood. Welcome to Momentum Property Education. Every single week, we give you the latest news on the property market, as well as interviews with top experts like Kim Kiyosaki, Jordan Harbinger, Jessica Olsen-Sabel, Ben Chai, Simon Zucci, Simon Rudish, and many, many more. We are today going to look at the factors that say, should you be buying or not? So in simple way of answering this question, if the market goes up, what should you do? You should be buying, right? It's a great time to buy when the market is going up. If the market is going down, not as fun. So the question is the market going up or is it going down? We've done multiple videos dissecting the market and the conditions right now, but to give you an overview, there are factors pointing in both directions. So it's a bit of flipping a coin right now. If I was a betting man, I would say it's about 70% chance that the market is going up and about 30% chance that it's going down, which is two even odds to kind of count. So why am I not sure? What is it that's driving it? Let's look at the economy. Let's look at how our economy works. In simple terms, our economy works that if people are spending money, if people and companies are spending money buying things, money is circulating throughout the system. That makes companies do well. That creates, an opportunity to raise salaries. That means people have even more money. They can buy even more stuff. Prices go up. The companies are even more profitable. And this becomes this positive cycle that drives growth in the economy. That is the good times. In a crash, what happens is that people hold on to their money. They keep it safe and the money stops circulating. What happens then is companies do not sell as much of their wares, prices go down, their profits go down, they start laying people off, people have less money, less people buy, and it becomes this vicious cycle. So what is going on right now? How can we not know what cycle we're in? Well, there are factors pointing to both sides right now. With the quantitative easing that's been coming in, there is so much money being printed, so much money that has been thrown into the economy. So you would think we have that upward rush. But what has actually been seen in the UK, households are saving more than ever. They've taken the money given by the government and they're saving them. They're hoarding their money. So there's more money out there than ever before, but also more of it is being hoarded than ever before. And the question is, which side will win out? Will people start feeling calm enough to spend? And if they start spending this money, that will create an amazing rush up. If they keep hoarding this money and new money stops being printed, at this high level, obviously they always print, money is always being printed, but if they come back to the normal levels, then that might create a contraction. So like I said, right now, if I was a betting man, I would say it's about a 70% chance that people are going to start feeling calm. They're going to come out into the market and they're going to be spending, and a 30% chance that they'll keep hoarding. That is too close to call. So we got to be smart now as investors. So the question is, what should we be buying and why? And should we be buying at all? Now, what we can look at is two different types of buys. One is buying to sell, buy to flip. One is buying to hold, buying to keep and rent out. So for me, I am not doing any flips right now, because flips are amazing when the market is going up, right? You buy the property, by the time you're done with the refurb, it's already gone up in value, you sell it and you make a boatload of money, which is awesome, which is really fun. But if the market goes down, you might do a great refurb, but by the time you're done, the property is worth less than you have paid. And that creates a lot of risk, because once you've sold, you don't have the property anymore. So I would say, yes, there's a 70% chance that the flips are going to work really, really well right now, but there is a 30% chance that it won't. Add that into the fact that flips can always go wrong, refurb quotes can go up, and it creates a situation, a market situation where flips are very, very risky. So I'm not doing any flips myself. What I'm doing is I'm buying to hold. Because when you buy to hold, that basically means you buy a property and you rent it out and you make a cash flow. The day-to-day value increase or decrease doesn't mean as much because I'm making cash flow. Now, I still think there's a 70% chance that the market's going to go up. So if I buy the property and it goes up in value, that is extra value to my balance sheet. That means I can refinance in the future, pull more money out and put into more property. But if it goes down, as long as I have my cash flow, I'm safe. So I am buying very heavily. Me and Gisela, my wife and co-founder here as well at Momentum, we are buying a portfolio of 11 flats. We're buying a couple HMOs. We're doing some deals right now because we see the market opportunity is there. We're building cash flow and we're going to hold. If we're lucky and with the 70% hits, our portfolio is going to go up in value. We can refinance and acquire even more property. If it goes down, we're on long-term mortgages, which means that we are not at risk to be called out and asked to put more money in. We're also making sure we keep some cash on hand in case we need to do a quick capital repayment because of the market dropping. So that's what we're trying to do. I'd love to hear what you're trying to do. Please let us know down in the comments and make sure you subscribe to the Momentum Property Education channel here so you get this every week update. On Tuesdays, we have this market update so you know what's happening in the market. On Thursdays, we got interviews with top experts. And on Saturdays, that is when we do Passive Income Mastery, showing you all the great ways to create passive income in 2021 and the future. So thank you so much for joining us here today. I hope I see you again soon.